Hello everybody, welcome to this beautiful video. My name is Owen and welcome to my channel. Today I want to say something that's inspired to me and on my heart, and that is, I want to say to you to choose. I want to say to me, I want to say to you, I want to say to everyone to choose, to make, to allow in, and to create the most beautiful day ever, everybody. And do this every single day. And all we can do is do this as best as we can. And that includes the ups and the downs of life, my friends. But it just simply means living more from our heart in response to what happens. Doing our best to make the most of things and to respond and live from our heart. And from a broader or deeper or wider or higher perspective. That's how you do it, everybody. And lastly, it's intentional living. It's a deliberate choice to choose, make, allow in, and create a life, a day, every day like this, as much as we can remember. Now, we're all learning. We all can only do our best. We all make mistakes. But like I said, it's about living and responding and tuning into our heart again and again and again when we remember to be humble in our heart. Living in our heart means also to be humble. Admit our mistakes or wrong, like whatever we want to call it, without self-condemnation, but critical thinking and evaluation about ourselves, but not self-putting down or other people putting down, but being honest with ourselves, being humble, admitting where we went wrong or made mistakes, learning, being humble, being loving, being gentle, heart-centered again. And like I said, seeing things from a broader, deeper, higher perspective. And then deliberately living intentionally to do this every single day as much as we can, remember, and to intend finally to be creative in expressing our care, our love, and our appreciation for other people in our lives and other people in our lives and things that we have in our life that are nice and sweet and our blessings, to be grateful for them and to express creatively our own unique way. It could be through a written note, an email, a present, a gift, wrapping up something, a surprise, or lovely sweet words, a little special moment of intimacy with somebody who you love in your life. Doing something like cleaning the house or doing an errand or a favor or helping somebody who you love. Whatever way you feel, maybe going for a one-to-one quality time walk or giving a massage, or it could be reading books to your children if you feel like that's what would be really sweet. Whatever you feel inspired from your heart to express outwardly your appreciation, gratitude, and love and care for what you have and who you love and care for, to share it with them. And finally, expressing gratitude, love, and appreciation for the blessings and the things that you have in your life and life itself, being alive. That's how you create the best day every day, as much as you can possibly, everybody. So you're happy, you're grateful, you connect with nature, you kiss the tree, you hug the sky, you love and say thank you to the horizon. You love the sun in your face, and you're just happy with the people who are kind to you. So finally, I just want to say, and this can be part of this video, you can say this too: thank you for everybody for being kind and loving and caring to me. Thank you for all the lovely comments and energy and the things people share and say to me and do for me. I just want to say thank you. And it means a lot to me, you know. It really makes my life better and makes me happier, so thank you. So yeah, you could also say that to anyone you love, right? Anything you're inspired to creatively express. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a lovely, sweet, blessed, beautiful day, and thank you for all the beautiful, sweet blessings and kind, sweet, friendly, good, positive, lovely, adorable events and things and people coming into our lives also. Isn't it sweet? And for all of us, not just for me, not just for you, but for everybody. Because we're all in this boat together. We're all family in many ways. Okay, take care. Have a lovely day, everyone. Lots of love. Namaste. Have a sweet, beautiful day. make it, create it, accept it, allow it in. We are deserving, we are worthy, and we can choose it. That's the premise of this video. We can choose and make this ourselves. Okay, thanks. Lots of love. Bye. A little stash. There's a little horsey.